Are you a person who has a lot of tasks to do every day? Do you find it difficult to handle all the tasks? If yes, this session might be helpful to you. In this session, I'll be introducing you to a technique with which you'll be able to understand which group of tasks you should be concentrating first. I'll also tell which is the group of tasks that are spoiling your time. And we will also talk about a few tasks which you can delegate and save your time for the first group of tasks. Are you ready? This technique is called the Eisenhower matrix technique. This technique involves two axes. One axis represents the importance of tasks, and the second axis represents the urgency of tasks. When you place these two axes in perpendicular to each other, you will have four quadrants or four compartments. And now what we need to do is to take our task list and fill this matrix with our tasks. The first quadrant will have all the tasks that are urgent and important. The second quadrant will have tasks that are important but not urgent. The third quadrant will have all the tasks which don't add any value to you, which are not urgent nor important to you. And the fourth quadrant will have tasks which are urgent but then not really important to you. Now the significance of these four quadrants. The first quadrant now will have all the tasks that are urgent and important. You cannot delay any of these tasks. If you miss any of these tasks, you are dropping a ball. Now the second quadrant. This is the most important quadrant. This quadrant has a list of tasks that are very important to you. It might not be urgent now, but if you don't handle these tasks, it will become very urgent and move to the first quadrant very soon. These are the tasks that define you. These are the tasks which take you to the next level. So spend most of your time dealing with these tasks. The third quadrant, which has a list of tasks that are neither important nor urgent, should be eliminated. They are the time wasters for you. And the fourth quadrant, they are urgent but not important to you. They should be delegated. Find a person who can help you with those tasks. With this technique, you are actually reducing the number of tasks that you have to do on a daily basis. I have introduced this technique to a lot of my clients and they have reported tremendous improvement in the amount of activities they could complete. They have reported a reduction in the stress levels they are having. I would encourage you to try out this technique and let me know how it has worked for you. I would also request you to subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting such videos in regular intervals. And now, in case you are looking for a partner who can help you make progress in your life and thus making you the best version of yourself, connect with me. Visit vmaravind.com for more details.